In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the elements of digital analysis. The first element to look at is the customers, and in today's business world, both large and small businesses need to listen to the voice of their customers. Customers are more connected than ever, and digital analysis can help provide the tools to analyze how your customers act on your website so that you can adapt your site and your marketing strategies to accommodate them. There is a real need for real-time, easy, accessible, and reliable data, and Google Analytics can help provide that information. Another element of digital analysis is the data itself. Both quantitative and qualitative data is needed to help guide good business decisions. Quantitative data, such as your audience size and location, marketing activity performance, and user actions, well, that's data that can be collected from a variety of different sources and devices. So for example, it could be gathered from a web browser on a desktop or laptop computer, or it could be gathered from an app on a smartphone. Qualitative data, that's data that's collected through means such as surveys, and it's used to understand your users' actions. It uncovers information that's not identifiable through quantitative data. Digital analysis can help provide us with measurable outcomes. So expected sales numbers for an e-commerce site would be an example of a measurable outcome. For a lead generating site, this could be a collection of user information. If your business is content publishing, then a measurable outcome would be ads that are shown to visitors on your site. For online information and support websites, helping users find information that they need in a timely fashion is your primary goal and of the utmost importance. And finally, for branding businesses, the main objective is to drive brand awareness, and this is also a measurable outcome if you have proper analytics in place. Now, there are a couple of key user actions that are also measurable through analytics. These are known as macro conversions and micro conversions. So let's say, for example, that your company is an e-commerce site. Well, a macro conversion would be maybe a completed sale. And an example of a micro conversion would be something that provides you with evidence that you're getting closer to that sale. So let's say a user signing up to receive promotional offers, or maybe signing up to receive a notification of when a product that you have that's out of stock is back in stock. It's easy to see how this type of information could really benefit your business. The enhancement of the user experience is a cyclical and continuous cycle. Now, it starts with measuring the data that you've gathered. All right. Then the reporting stage takes that data that you've gathered in the measurement stage and it gets it out to the decision makers in the company. In the data analysis stage, you want to compare your data against industry trends or compare it against data that you have about your competitors. And in the testing solution stage, you'll set out your solutions to problems that you identified in the earlier data analysis stage. Now, the reason why testing is a critical part of the process is because it takes opinions out of the equation. Then finally, you improve the user experience based on the knowledge that you've gathered, and it's at that point that you've now come full circle and you start the data measurement process once again. In this video, we identified the various elements of digital analysis.